Hey guys, it's E Squared Photography here. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Are you maybe new to photography or just starting out? Maybe you're stuck in automatic mode. Well, we're here to explain why manual mode when shooting families is so incredibly important.
And make sure to stick around till the end because we have some very exciting news this week. And we also have something special just for you.
We promise by the end of this video, you will walk into your next family photo session feeling a little bit more confident shooting in manual mode.
And for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications of future videos.
So first, let's talk about the difference between automatic mode and manual mode and what the big deal is with manual mode. So when it comes to shooting in automatic mode, your camera is taking the best guess at what the settings should be. Now, your camera is smart, but it's definitely not that smart. So shooting in automatic mode can leave you with blurry images, images that are under or overexposed and very difficult to change in editing. It can leave you in images that are just out of focus. And it can potentially even lead you with images that are grainy or have a lot of noise in them. When it comes to manual mode, remember manual mode is giving you, the photographer, the ability to choose the settings based on what you want and the environment that you're in. So it's going to lead you to crisp images, properly exposed images that are easy to edit. And we all want that in the end.
So one big piece of manual mode is shutter speed. It is the one we change very often during a session. Now, when it comes to shutter speed, you want to make sure that you have your shutter speed fast enough for moving children, or fast enough for any sort of movement. So for example, if you look at your camera, your shutter speed is going to look like 1/30, 1/1000. That's your shutter speed. So you want a faster shutter speed.
So that would mean a bigger number. So when it comes to shutter speed, if we look at this image here, we have these little kids running around mom and dad. We want to make sure that this shutter speed is at least a 1/200, potentially higher, and most of the time higher. Same thing with this little girl. Little kids are moving all the time. So we want to make sure we're at least at a 1/200 or higher. Again, most of the time we are much higher on that. All right, so what we want you guys to do right now is comment below and tell us what is your biggest struggle when it comes to sessions with little kids and families all together. Let's talk a little bit about Aperture now. Aperture is another important piece of learning manual mode, especially when it comes to family photography. So you don't want to shoot too low. So like a low aperture would be an f1.4. So that F stands for f-stop. You might hear aperture referred to as f-stop. It's the same thing. So you don't want to shoot too low, like at a 1.4, with a large group of people, like a family potentially. So let's give you examples of what we would shoot these particular family photos at. This one of the three kids, we would probably shoot around a 3.0 or higher. This family of four right here with the girls running out in front under the blanket, we would shoot at probably an f-stop or aperture of 4.5 or higher.
So now if this still seems like a lot to you and you're still wondering a lot more about, we want to learn more about manual mode, we have a free training ready for you that you can sign up for in the description below. So make sure to do that now and get your hands on a free 1-hour training where we dive deep into ISO, shutter speed, aperture, and even more on how we put it together and really our simple system that works like a charm at every single session.
If you enjoyed this video today, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one.
And don't forget to sign up for that free 1-hour training that is going to help you tremendously improve those family portraits.
We keep it so simple.
And we will see you there and see you next time.